Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Resident Evil 4. For that, go to any browser and then search for Steam. Then click on the Welcome to Steam and then log into your device, adding all of your credentials. Once you have done that, there you will see search button. Click there and type Resi Dental Resident Evil 4. Click on that. For this, you need to add your birth date. For now, I'm adding mine. Then click on View Page. Now simply click on the download, or you can also buy Resident Evil 4 by clicking on the Add to Cart. Now simply click on View My Cart and then click on the Sign in to purchase, and it will start your payment process to download Resident Evil 4. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.